Kunal, let's get stock specific and shall we actually allocate stocks to the individual cricketers? Who's going to be Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma?
Well, absolutely, yes. I think so. There are many qualities which we look out for in stocks. And I think for Rohit Sharma, I think Reliance Industries is the best stock. Consistency and, trying to come back into a stronger performance mode at the start. And whenever Reliance performs, there is a lot of happiness which traders get.
And you know what? One more thing. I mean, you remember the walk he gave when he went to lift?
Oh, that was
slow.
classic.
Reliance was walking like that only. 10 rupees a day, 5 rupees a day, from 2,800 to 3,000 odd.
Yeah.
This last 200 rupee move on Reliance is just like that slow walk.
The mega heavyweight.
Yeah, but finally moving towards the 3,000, crossed above that, right? So it's closed above that finally.
And for Virat Kohli, I think it's more of consistency, aggression, and I would probably believe HDFC Bank is the best fit over there. So, it moves consistently. Yes, the last 6-8 months have been a bit more tricky, and that's what the form for Virat Kohli has also been. But then whenever it performs, I think it just steals the show.
Yeah, but aggression is something which is lacking for HDFC Bank. Let's see whether Virat Kohli's name is able to lend that to HDFC Bank now or not, because that is something which is definitely needed from HDFC Bank. But what's your view, Naresh, if you had to pick out a Rohit Sharma or a Virat Kohli from the entire stock market universe, which names come to mind?
So it ends up being the same. Rohit Sharma being Reliance Industries, the captain, the largest weight, and which has continued to do well over the years. Like the captains create more players, the same way Reliance Industries has created more businesses. So that is how Rohit Sharma comes into place. And then is Virat Kohli, which is where I would say it's a titan which has done really well, compounded well. But there are periods where we have a lot of hate for the company in between because the expectations are really, really high.
That's for Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, but Kunal, the list doesn't end there. What about Rishabh Pant, Hardik Pandya, Bumrah, Arshdeep Singh and Sky, as we all call him?
So I'll start off with Sky. So Surya Kumar Yadav, he's called Mr. 360 because across the board he can hit shots. He has this wide range of variety. So rather than putting one stock, I have kept a Adani group of names.
Wow.
Because there are so many group of stocks, and all of them when they start to hit 6, I mean across the board, there is a different aura altogether. So that's on Surya Kumar Yadav. For Bumrah, I think the best stock which you can associate because of its highest intelligence in terms of bowling whenever he gets into those critical situations. And I think in that sense, Bajaj Auto has been one of the more consistent and stronger performing stock over the last so many years. I think what we've seen from the Auto Pack and on the other names, Rishabh Pant. So the qualities are consistency. He keeps wickets for a longer duration of time. He's I think an individual who's probably going through a stronger phase in terms of recovery on his sector in terms of wicket keeping. So I would probably believe Tata Motors is the best fit over there because from the EV it's emerging as one of the strongest leader from the Auto Pack also. So that's what it is.
Yeah, absolutely. But the beauty of a catch that Sky managed to take last, on Saturday, that is really the match clincher. And some would argue, of course, it was that 15th over that the thinker, the Bumrah, actually played. What a stellar move coming in from both of these cricketers. But which are the stellar moves that we're expecting on the stock like these? Naresh, what's your view on the likes of Pandya, Bumrah, Arshdeep Singh, Sky, etc.?
So I'll start with Rishabh Pant. I'll call him Jindal Steel because it really takes a lot to come back in every cycle and end up being one of the best in the sector as well. So we've seen him go through one of the worst phases and now coming back and continues to do well. Jasprit Bumrah, I would say it's a trend. The stock continues to compound, continues to perform very silently. Nobody realizes how. And that is what even Rohit Sharma said, that he's a masterclass. It's just we don't know how. And Arshdeep Singh would be Ashok Leyland, which again continues to do well, but in pauses. And Sky would be Tata Motors, which keeps coming back right from the bottom and doing really well.
Let's also get in Sharad. He's done a lot.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.